How to request a replacement license on HydroComm 6 software. Before following this video, please have your registration details from your previous computer. This will be your registered email address, your 16-digit serial number and the hardware ID from your old computer. Please download and install HydroComm 6 onto your new computer. When you open HydroComm 6 on your new computer, at the top of the window, you will see it shown as a trial version. This allows you to carry on with your work whilst a replacement license is being processed. Go to Extras, and select License Request. And then select Next. Please make sure the email address field is populated with the registered email address. Please enter your 16-digit serial number that was used on your old computer. Next, select Email and then press Request. This will open a new email which will include all the relevant information. It is important that in the subject title where it says License Request, you add Replacement to the start. Please enter a brief description for the reason of your replacement license request. For example, due to a new computer. Attach a screenshot of your license details from your old computer as shown, which is preferred. Alternatively, type them in the email body. Next, press Send. Your license request has now been sent. Please allow 1 to 2 working days for your request to be actioned as this is a human process. You will then receive an email with 2 attachments. Please save the XML file to your desktop. Now, return to HydroComm 6. Go to Extras, and select License Activation. Select the file you have saved to your desktop and press Open. HydroComm 6 will now display a pop-up message confirming successful license activation. Now, press OK and close down HydroComm 6. Once the software has closed, please reopen it. At the top of the window you will now see your license version displayed. Please take a screenshot of your new computer license details for future reference. To do this, go to Extras, select License Request and then select Next. For any other features not covered in this video, please see our other how-to videos.